Hi guys, welcome to Royal Logos. It's my pleasure to have you here and I really hope that you all are doing well. In today's video, I will demonstrate you that how can we extract a logo design idea for a company that is providing online education and also specialized video courses. So without wasting any time, let's continue with the brief that we received from the client. So the client says that we are a company called TBS Online. You can also visit our website here, thebritishschoolonline.co.uk. TBS stands for The British School. TBS is an online platform where we are providing dynamic, fully interactive e-learning curriculum and also specialized video courses to students across the world. The strengths of our company is that we offer a modern approach to high quality teaching and learning for an affordable price. We are looking to place a nice logo at the top of our web page in white background. If you have a way of making an effective logo that looks clean and modern, it could be much better. One suggestion about the logo design is a slick iPad design playing a video. And you have complete freedom for the second design. We like the idea of something modern, digital, and related to studies. And it's my humble request to avoid any kind of traditional school logo, because a modern approach is what we feel looks better. Now the important points that I extracted from this brief. First of all, it's the name of the company, or you can say the name of the logo, which is TBS Online. And the second one is about their services, online education and specialized video courses. And third important point is that the logo should look better on the white background. And the fourth point is a suggestion about the logo, which is a slick iPad design which is playing a video. And the fifth and important point is that the logo should not include any kind of traditional school building or something like that. So now to design our logo, let's continue with the mind mapping process. And for the mind mapping, I have extracted two important points. First one, it's the name of the logo, which is TBS Online, and the second one is their services which they are providing all over the world. Now for the name of the logo, we can either use the initial letter T or we can use the combination of all of the initial letters T, B and S. And for the services, first of all, let's continue with the educational services. And to emphasize on these services, we can either use a minimalist design of a book or we can also use a pen or a pencil. And the use of an academic cap will also look better. Now let's consider the suggestion that we received from the client, which is an iPad design. And to represent a playing video, we can use a video play button. And as you know that this is an online platform, we can also use a small green dot, which is used to highlight the word online. And in the last, we can also use a globe to represent that this platform is providing the services all over the world. Now we will do two design concepts for this logo. And for the first concept, I have decided to use the combination of an iPad and a video play button. And for the second design, I have decided to use the combination of an academic cap and video play button. And after sketching different designs, this was the first one, which includes an iPad and a video play button. And this was the second design, which is a combination of an academic cap and a video play button. Now I want to know your thoughts about the design, that which one is your favorite. You can share your thoughts in the comments section. And if you want to know the selection of the client, then you can visit the link, thebritishschoolonline.co.uk. And now this is for today's video. If you think that this video helps you in some way, then like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.